Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lifting straps for powerlifting that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ironbull Strength Unleashed lifting straps. The Ironbull Strength Unleashed lifting straps are our top pick overall. They're made from high-quality nylon, a durable and resilient material that doesn't stretch or tear easily. This means they can withstand heavy loads and intense workouts. And unlike cotton or leather straps, nylon straps don't tend to fray or rot over time. These straps will last you for years of lifting without losing their shape or strength. Thanks to their traditional lasso design, you can tighten or loosen them as you wish, depending on the thickness of your wrists and the diameter of the bar. This ensures a secure and comfortable grip on the bar, preventing any slippage or movement. The Unleashed lifting straps have soft and thick neoprene padding that cushions your wrists and prevents any abrasion or irritation. Neoprene is a synthetic rubber, the same material in almost all the best knee sleeves, that is flexible and supportive. It provides a smooth and soft surface for your wrists, reducing some of the pressure while distributing the weight more evenly. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DMOOSE Figure 8 lifting straps. The main advantage of Figure 8 straps is that they're easy to use. Simply loop one end around your wrist, bring your hand close to the bar, and feed your hand through the other loop. Bring your hands inwards to grab the bar for the straps to become tight, creating a secure grip that won't slip or loosen during lifts. To remove them, just reverse the process and slide them off your wrists. No need to fumble with long straps again. The DMOOSE Figure 8 lifting straps are made of high-quality cotton that's soft and durable. Cotton is breathable and doesn't irritate your skin or cause excessive sweating, so you'll have a better grip whether you're lifting a barbell, kettlebell, or axle bar. They're also machine washable, so you can keep them clean and fresh. The DMOOSE Figure 8 lifting straps offer 3 sizes to suit your wrist and hand size. The size chart on their website is clear and will help you find the right fit. The DMOOSE Figure 8 lifting straps don't have any padding or cushioning for your wrists. This means they might dig into your skin and cause discomfort or bruising, especially if you lift heavy weights or use them for high representative sets. I've even seen some elite level lifters end up with small skin tears because they're deadlifting massive weights. If you have sensitive wrists or prefer more comfort, you may want to look for straps with wrist padding like the Element 26's. At number 3, we have the DMOOSE weightlifting hooks. Unlike other lifting straps that require you to wrap them around the bar multiple times, these hooks are nearly effortless to apply. Put them on your wrists, tighten the Velcro strap, hook them onto the bar, and voila! Straps this easy to use saves you time and avoids the hassle of resetting your straps, especially when switching between different exercises or weights. For ease and speed, I find hooks are better than any other strap type while not interfering much with your grip or wrist mobility. These hooks are versatile and can be used for various types of implements. They're suitable for barbell lifts such as deadlifts, shrugs, or rows, as well as using them on pull-up bars. They play nice with cable machine attachments, and one customer even mentioned they use them on their rowing machine handles to combat grip fatigue. At number 2, we have the EHarbinger padded cotton lifting straps. The Harbinger padded cotton lifting straps have a 4.7 out of 5 rating from over 27,000 customers on Amazon, and they're also rated number 2 in the exercise straps category. That means tens of thousands of people have tried and loved these straps, so you can trust their quality and performance. But let's not forget about their price. At the time of publishing, they cost only $9.97, a steal compared to other lifting straps on the market. Plus, if you're an Amazon Prime member, you can enjoy free shipping and an excellent return policy. They impressed our breaking muscle team member with their softness and comfort. Being made from cotton, the straps felt soft in the hands and offered extra wrist cushioning with their Neotech padding. Our tester also noticed that the padding helps absorb sweat and moisture, so your hands will stay drier during your workouts, and it'll be easier to keep a better grip. And finally, at number 1, we have the DMOOSE lifting straps. The standout feature of the DMOOSE lifting straps is the price. At the time of writing, these retail for $15 after being marked down from $17, not quite as cheap as the Harbinger padded cotton lifting straps, but close. One of the best features of these straps is that they fit all wrist sizes. The straps have a closed-loop design, so you can tighten them like a lasso around your wrists. This allows you to adjust the fit according to your wrist size and comfort level. You don't have to worry about the straps permanently being too loose or tight, as you can easily adjust them to your liking. These straps are also incredibly comfortable, featuring a 4mm padding on the inside for cushion and to prevent chafing. The cotton material is also soft and breathable, which keeps your hands cool and dry. At 24 inches long and 1.5 inches wide, they give you enough length and width to wrap around the bar securely. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.